Hello, everyone. Let's clean this muddy Disney car. It's really fun.
Sepertinya asapnya berasal. Awas!
How did they do it? These are the same ingredients as back home, but it tastes so good.
Your next stop is the hospital! Whoa!
Don't worry, I'll bring you some flowers.
Hey, Hamilton!
Hamilton here.
Call out our speed!
208 miles per hour. 206.
Right there, in the hood, right there.
We really should go, Grandmother.
One moment. I'd like to see where this is going.
Mater.
Are you all right? Nobody got stuck? Oh, Lanny's the bravest. No, wait! It's not...
like we got some work to do.
Mater, let's go! You're on! Hey DJ, lay down some beats, man! Pasa, se dan por vencidos. ¡Ah! ¡Brasil!
It's okay, boy. Shh, that's a good boy. You guys okay?
Wash too, Cal? No, you're getting a car wash, McQueen.
Get them back, Cal.
Ahí va de regreso. ¿Se pasó?
That's fine.
Wins, he decides when he's done racing. That was the deal. Hi, I'm Miss Lloyd.
That was...
Great old devil woman.
Look at you, all charged up to race. But I don't have a chance against... Go!
That Francesco is fine looking.
And those open wheels.
Ooh, I'm on.
Hey, costume girl! You know, at first I thought you were down here because your GPS was broken.
Don't let... Race. Lightning McQueen must be killed.
No!
It's a conspiracy, man! The oil company's got a grip on the government!
What is he talking about?
It was you leaking oil at the party in Japan. You just blamed it on me. My mama is right here. Mama! Go away, mama!
Enough to fix that road is Big Al.
Lizzie, the gal left like 15 years ago.
Then why are you bringing him up, Yola?
I can't steer. Turn right to go left. Turn right to go left.
That doesn't make any sense.
Turn right to go left.
Pretty darn nice racing out there.
Fight me! Welcome to I'm not coming in behind you again, old man.
Have a toast. Let's dedicate my win tomorrow to Miss Sally.
Oh, sorry.
I miss you, Stanley. You sure knew how to treat a girl. Oh, by the way,